On this example, it says which expression is equivalent to the square root of 147. So in this one, the same thing, you open up your Desmos calculator and you start typing in the expression that they're giving you here. Now, how do you get the square root? If you go down here to show keyboard, you click on it, and right here next to the little volume icon, there's the square root, and then you just type in 147. So as you can see here, you do not have a number, but you do have you don't have a graph, but you do have a number here. So what you need to do is you're going to type in these equations in here to see which one matches that number given. So we typed in A. As we can see, there are two different numbers, so it is not that one. Let's go to B, and it's 7 square root of 3. Now this one does match this one, and that is it. That is your answer for that one.